Hi, my name is Matthieu and I'm the founder of Type. I'm based in France, Marseille, and I'm here to talk with Damien about some stuff in type.
Hey, I'm Damien. I'm creative type director at Monotype. I'm based in Paris, France, but I'm part of the global studio team. Hey Matthieu, it's super nice to see you here. Thank you very much for accepting the invitation. I'm very pleased to see you on stage speak about AI and everything you've done in this area. Just have a couple of questions for you.
Sure.
I'll start with an easy one. What's your creative philosophy? How do you approach creation in your field of expertise?
Well, that's a complex one. It depends on the project, really. Whether or not we are working on a custom font or if we are working on retail font. But as for the retail font, the philosophy is to have fun first. We're not looking, for example, at the catalog that we have and saying, okay, what can we build, what can we change, but rather how we feel about what we want to do. So it's much more based on, enjoying the process and the work rather than, having a marketing or commercial aspect view of the font itself. As for the technical part of it, we are very exigent with the quality of the font we produce, especially with the viable files, which we're very proud of the engineering part we do on it, and try to push as much as possible toward making it a usable and fun tool to play for designers.
Yeah, interesting. And we can feel that from your library, from your fonts, which are also very expressive, yet very well crafted. When the customer approaches you, you're welcome. When the customer approaches you for custom work or for something more specific, are they approaching you because they saw that work and that philosophy in your library?
A recent client has come to us because he saw some work we did for Borussia Dortmund with the viable aspect of it and the inclination of the italic, which is a very extreme angle, very stressed on the letters, and he wanted us to work on functionality in their font. The technical aspect is also one of the key factors for us to be selected by clients.
Yeah, what I get from this is that building a meaningful design for your library matters for how you then present yourself and the kind of work you get as well later. Are you influenced by trends, or how do you set the expression you're going to work on for your products?
It would be wrong to say that we're not influenced by trends or things around us. I don't personally look at things and say, oh, this is super cool, we should replicate. I think we have more of an inner process of what we see around us, and that influences us in the way we work. And then sometimes I guess we just do stuff for the fun of it. I always get back to the example of Epoch, because when it was released, it was kind of appearing in the world of type to have this comeback on aggressive shop series everywhere. And then Epoch happens and you have a lot of stuff like that happening. Our aim is to try to make things that have a voice while maintaining this technical aspect I was talking about.
What does brand mean for you in today's culture?
There's an analogy I love about branding. Some guy, I think, said logo is like the suit of the of the brand, and the typeface is the tone of the voice. I tend to feel like type is more present in brands now rather than before. I feel that there's less illustrative and abstract things in brands now, and it seems more focused on the quality of font and a lot of custom font happening as well. I feel like brands are really trying to find their voice through type.
So you spoke about AI in the type design industry. What's the most unexpected thing you shared today on stage regarding that topic?
It's a very complex subject. It's very hard for me to position myself and have a clear answer about it. It's pretty good in terms of interpreting things, giving new ideas that you haven't thought of through glyphs you input into it. And It's definitely going to be a game changer in the way we produce things. And it's hard for me to picture whether or not it's like a technologic evolution, like we had with printing, digital proofing, digital curation. I was pretty amazed at the results, to be honest. And I look at it with a very childish view of it. Like, I'm always excited about new stuff, you know.
Okay, let's end the interview by a little game. I give you 2 words and you can pick one, no explanations, right? Helvetica or Arial?
Well, funny enough, Arial. I like the R. I really like the R. I know. No, of course, Helvetica.
Chaos or control?
Chaos.
Serif or sans serif?
Serif.
Branding is?
Awesome.
An underrated font.
Oh, one of ours? An underrated from Papyrus.
I knew it. Nice. Thank you so much, Matthieu.
My pleasure, mate.